kõik on lihtsalt olnud ja kui need jäävad. Küll põletati nõida taga
Forget these Roman statues or whatever. Just focus on this. Guys, this is this. It used to be the sound of Roman statues. It's not metal.
Qui avrebbero anche le gambe della dicevo però che
A lion, a dog. This is the first zoo in history. And these are Roman numbers. One is a sword is about to kill another man. You know, and it is hardest marble in the world, like diamond. It's like that. These guys. Body. Photoshop, guys. When I have guys something curved, I want to be taller, no problem. I use Photoshop. Elena, the human remains of his mother, the daughter of his mentor, Costanza, is the actor. Perfect. Guys, don't stop here,
Don't
please.
stop over
Yeah,
the
don't
door.
stop here, guys.
Thank you. Please, don't stop on the door.
See, guys, wonderful in summer, Sardinia. It's glorious. But, now, I'm here waiting for you. Let's go.
This is a good cost, like in a stone cake.
Well, right. Dai, connect the life of the book. Top place there.
Jaa, täpselt. Siin asus suusovad pidada ja see kõik on väga võimalus. Võib-olla tõesti oleks vaja, saaks terve venna.
Okay, guys, now wait here a couple of minutes. New devices here.
Тяжело.
That bulletproof glass wasn't in there. In 1972, a crazy man here with a hammer tried to destroy the statue. No, first thing was the church. It's not only a museum. It is a graveyard as well. Here are many statues, like especially a full. Like 30 years ago, the Roman Pope used to do. He said, if you're not connected to these people, or on the now, only because there we have the most important part. Are from the Temple of Jerusalem. There we have the mother Constantine Constantine and so on. In there, like in that, wasn't sure when was it, but like I said, look around you guys. This, I'm around you guys. Doesn't look like one of these things. Remember this fine? Well, you get one small church, maybe it's better. You can go back inside the basilica, you can see as much as you want, and then you can like I said before, you can go just like this. Just like it's over there. Okay.
Penso stata ieri. Ma vediamo se sto qua. Ordine online TikTok. Non c'è minche mutazioni che on täiesti ükskõik, näiteks koha peal olid need surid ära lihtsalt.
Non le faccio, abbiate visto, no? Se ci faccio
Kõigil on siuksed. Aga on tõesti reede õhtugi, siin on iga. Looma võib-olla ei olegi.
Vorrei